You can make this with coconut, make it chocolate. Just give it a nice drizzle. Beautiful. So here you have it. You have Hazelnut Florentine Cake, a really delicious, light, quick dessert that you can make anytime. Hi, my name is Anna. I've been baking for the past 20 years. I've developed a passion for baking from my Italian parents. So join me for some delicious, quick, authentic recipes. I have hundreds to choose from and to share with you. So whether you're just starting out or have an interest in baking, follow me and we'll get inspired. Benvenuti. Today we're making a Florentine cake. It's a crispy cookie layered with cream cheese filling. So for this recipe, you will need butter, brown sugar, milk, flour, hazelnuts, and oats. And then for the filling, you'll need cream cheese, whipping cream, vanilla, chocolate, and sugar. I'll have the full recipe at the end. So we're going to start by creaming our butter and brown sugar. You want to make sure that it's all nice and creamy. The sugar is well incorporated. So you want to scrape the sides of your bowl. Okay, so now it's nice and creamy. We're going to add our milk and our flour. Want that all incorporated. Okay, so that's all ready. Now we're going to add our oats. Give that a mix. So now we're ready to add your hazelnuts. So I wanted to mention when you're adding your hazelnuts at the very last moment, just give it a few turns, mixes in the mixer, because you don't want it to overmix. Otherwise your batter is going to be too runny. Okay, so I have a ice cream scoop. I'm going to use to drop my Florentines. So you want to get a tray with parchment paper. You want to go a little bit, not too close to the edge, because they're going to spread, and be mindful of that. So you want to space them out just a little bit, because if you have a certain size of cake you want, if they're too close together, they're going to stick. So you want to give them enough space to spread. So I'm just going to put 3 on each tray, but of course if you have a larger tray, you can put more on. There we go. I think that should be fine. Today I'm making a hazelnut Florentine cake, but you know, with the Florentines, you could make any flavor. You could fill it with fruit. So that's another idea that you can do with the Florentines. There we go. Okay, so what you want to do is just grab a bit of water with the tip of your fingers and just give it a press, because you want them to spread nicely. It doesn't have to be a perfect, but just enough that they don't have much to go when they're spreading in the oven. The oven is ready. I'm going to pop them in, and we're going to give them 12 minutes. There we go. Look at that, just nice and crispy. Perfect. While our Florentines are cooling, we're gonna whip up our whipping cream. Add our sugar. Okay, our whipping cream is ready. So I'm not going to remove it all because I'm going to cream the cream cheese along with the whipping cream. I'm going to add cream cheese and I'm going to mix it all together with the whipping cream. I'm going to add some sugar and a splash of vanilla. Add a bit of whipping cream to our cream cheese. Give that a mix. Okay, it's all ready. So our cream is ready, our Florentines are ready, so we're gonna assemble them. I have a piping bag that we're just going to cut off a small tip. To put in your rosebud tip. This is really quick, really easy. They cool off, your Florentines cool off quite fast, so you don't have to wait too long to assemble them. So be very careful because they are delicate. You want to put your first layer. Go right at the edge because you want to see it once you assemble it. And we're going to put some hazelnuts. You can make this with coconut, make it chocolate. Now we're going to drizzle it with chocolate just to finish it off. So I've gone ahead and melted some chocolate. So all you want to do is just give it a nice drizzle. Beautiful. And not to worry, you can clean off the chocolate once you're done, once it dries actually. So here you have it. You have Hazelnut Florentine Cake, a really delicious, light, quick dessert that you can make anytime. Just like and subscribe. Your support is encouraging.